guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 32 and into this tutorial I will show you how to use Llama Index function calling agents. Okay, so in the last tutorial I showed you how to use Llama Index React agents, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use Llama Index function calling agents. So these tutorials are going to be very simple and straightforward. I'm just trying to build a sort of intuition uh, for this sort of agents, but in the later part when we are going to start the advanced part or maybe the project part, in those tutorials we'll be going to work on the advanced topics like RAG development or maybe something more, some workflow driven application. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. You will get the source code from this link, right? Not much to discuss. I think everything is covered in the last tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's start working on the coding part. Okay. So first thing, it will be from Llama Index dot LLMs. Okay. OpenAI. Okay. So we'll be going to import OpenAI LLM. Okay. And we'll be going to set up the LLM. So it will be OpenAI, and my model will be GPT-4 Omni model. Okay, right. So what else will be going to do? So we'll be going to import function tools, right? And we'll be going to import, let's say, something called the function calling agent. Okay, so it will be from llama index. Okay, dot core. Okay, dot agent. Okay, so it will be import function calling agent worker. Okay, and next thing will be from llama index dot core. Okay, then the tools, so it will be function tool. Okay, okay, so function tool. So let's import this thing, and let's see if something else is required, we'll be going to use that. Okay, but for the time being I think these tools are more than enough. Okay, so now what we will be going to do, we'll be going to import the same we'll be going to create the basically uh, import okay, I think not much things required. So let's say we'll be going to create two function. Okay, so let's create a function called def add. So basically it is going to take two number. Okay, and so it will write add add the add the given numbers. Okay, and return the result as output. Okay, then it will be return a plus b, right? So we'll be going to write one more function. So let's say mul, so a b, right? Okay, and now what we'll do, let's say def square cube. Okay, so maybe just thinking what else we can do. Okay, so let's say we'll be going to create. Okay, okay, and okay, now we'll be going to import another thing, import numpy as np. Okay, so add the number, so multiply. Okay, divide the first number by the second. Okay, okay, done. Now we'll be going to do let's say def uh, cos a means cos angle, and a I'll just write something called n. Okay, and return np.cos of n, and here we'll just write, just copy this thing. Okay, okay, so let's write this thing. Uh, find the cosine value of the given angle. Okay, and return the result. Okay, that's it. I believe there is a problem here. Okay, np dot, what is the problem here? Find the cosine dash cosine main cosine, I don't know. Okay, so problem is here it is 2, here it is 3. Okay, all done. Now what we'll do, uh, now uh, now the main thing, we have to actually create a couple of actually variable. So my first is add tool equals to this, then probably multiply tool mt, division tool dt, and cosine tool ct, right? So how this is going to be do, so we'll be going to write function tool. Okay, dot from defaults, and there I'll be just going to write fn equals to, in capital, sorry, in small, fn equals to, just you have to mention the name, so add. Okay, and let's copy this thing. Okay, so this is going to be multiply, mul. Okay, multiply, and it is going to be division, which is going to be div, and the cosine tool is actually going to be this one, cos a. So see guys, if you don't practice you will forget, so you have to remember all these tips, right? Remember means you have to think logically. Now we'll be going to create the agent worker. Okay, agent underscore worker. So agent worker is going to come from functional agent worker. Okay, so now functional agent worker, then from tools. Okay, dot from tools. So let's see, in the tools, uh, what you have to pass, you have to pass all this tool, right? So inside a list, let's say we have to pass 80 mt dt ct, cosine tool, right? Tool is done. Next what you have to do, you have to pass the llm. Okay, so my llm is llm. Okay, see this llm, right? Next thing, there's something called, if you want to mention the verbose, you have to write, so verbose true. Okay, right? And last thing is uh, parallel tool calls, so I'll make it false. Okay, so means one by one sequential order, the way the question is asked it will come. So now we'll be going to create agent. So it will be agent worker dot as agent. Okay, right? So in this way it is becoming now my agent. Now there will be another variable, response equals to agent dot chat. Okay, so there will be going to ask some question. What is this, man? Okay, so let's ask the question. Okay, uh, what is I don't know, my network, I have some problem with my keyboard, I don't know, and it happens right when I'm just actually doing the video. What is, just give me a moment guys, this is very annoying. Okay, so let's see what is the value of, okay, let's ask 77 uh, into 2 plus 2, mm, okay, maybe plus 2 uh, divided by 2. What is the value by 2, uh, and once you get the value, get the cosine of that. So this is very tricky question I have asked. So let's do a print and see. Okay, everything is fine, let's execute. Okay, so you see it is doing. Okay, so value of, let's see, value of 7 to 7 times 7 to 7 times 2 plus 2 divided by is 88. So why it is so? So 77 into 2 is actually something plus 2. Okay, then divided. Okay, so basically 77 into 2 is actually 150, 146 actually. No, mm, yeah, 154, 156 divided by 2 is actually 78. 78 is approximately something. Okay, okay, so this is amazing. So let's ask something else as well. Okay, uh, what is the value of 77 divided by 2 divided by uh, 0? Once you get your value, get the cosine of that. Let's see. So the division by 0 is actually okay. So dividing any number by 0 is undefined in mathematics. Therefore, the expression is does not yield any value of numerical. Consequently, the finding the cosine of undefined value is also not possible. Okay. So what I'll do, I will just write divided by, let's say, 78. Okay. So let's see. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, so that's it. It is able to do it, and all tool operations are here. If you see here, one by one actually it is doing based on the mathematical expression. So I have a bracket, so it is doing the operation within bracket, and within bracket it is first doing the multiplication and then other things, right? Okay, so I'm actually satisfied with the tutorial this part, because I think this is a good point where I can actually conclude the tutorial. But before I conclude, I would like to put some comments. And basically, this is not a comment, this is just a recommendation that you guys should watch the video, and while watching the video, try to actually utilize the source code repository. Because if you watch the video and if you refer to the repository, this will be easy. And the most important part is actually don't just watch my videos, means you watch the video now and after that you just completely move away from the topic and you are going to watch the next topic. Don't do that. Once you watch the video, after that try to do the entire thing by your own, means try to develop some use case and try to practice by writing code. See, there are a lot of things like function, agent worker, function tool. If you don't practice, you will forget. And if you just write the code for once or two times, then what will happen at the time of actual execution, means whenever you are going to start for the preparation for the interview, or maybe whenever you are going to start working for a freelance client, or maybe for your project, whatever, that time, if you don't require the things 100%, but it will remember that what to find in the Llama Index, you will automatically start moving towards the right path. So that is why you have to write your own code by your own. If you don't write the code, okay, eventually over the period of time you will definitely forget, and if you forget something, then there is no point of investing something for some time, right? Okay. And last but not least, this is my personal request, guys, please 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 try to subscribe to my channel, because if you don't subscribe, my subscriber count will not increase. And the moment you guys start subscribing to my channel, my count will increase, and also you will get some I will get some push from the YouTube algorithm as well, because when YouTube saws that when YouTube sees that people are trying to subscribe to my channel, getting some engagement, right, so they will also automatically promote my video to the large number of audience. And last but not least, try to share our videos. As I told you, I need engagement. Try to share my videos, try to put some comment, good or bad, doesn't matter. If the videos are helping you, try to put some comment and let other knows that what is actually good in the video. And if you want to like convey some message to me, like something could be done in a better way, or something is missing, and also if you want me to include some other topic in the next tutorial, please let us know. I'll try to incorporate all those changes in my next tutorial. And also if you want to improve want me to improve something, please let us know. You're always we always welcome those honest feedback, right? Okay, so please support me, guys. I need your support to grow. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you very much.